The REEPRO 5-in-1 Pet Grooming Vacuum is a versatile tool that can be used to groom your pet, clean your home, and even trim their nails. It comes with a variety of attachments, including a brush, a comb, a trimmer, and a nail grinder. The vacuum is also powerful enough to remove loose hair and dander from your pet's coat. Here are some of the key features of the REEPRO 5-in-1 Pet Grooming Vacuum. Powerful suction. The vacuum has powerful suction that can remove loose hair and dander from your pet's coat. Cordless design. The vacuum is cordless, which makes it easy to use and maneuver. Lightweight and portable. The vacuum is lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to take with you on the go. Easy to clean. The vacuum is easy to clean, which helps to keep it in good working condition. Here are some of the pros and cons of the REEPRO 5-in-1 Pet Grooming Vacuum. Pros. Versatile tool that can be used for a variety of grooming tasks. Powerful suction that removes loose hair and dander. Cordless design for easy use and maneuverability. Lightweight and portable for easy transport. Easy to clean for simple maintenance. Cons. Battery life may be limited for extended grooming sessions. Some users may find the attachments to be a bit small. Noise level may be slightly higher than some other pet grooming vacuums. Overall, the REEPRO 5-in-1 Pet Grooming Vacuum is a great option for pet owners who are looking for a versatile and effective grooming tool. It is easy to use, powerful, and portable, and it comes with a variety of attachments that can be used for a variety of grooming tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.